My dear students, in this video we are gonna complete our set practice in human physiology. Let's start by question 22. All of the following are correct about human circulation except, you can read carefully the choices. The answer is B. Normal blood pressure is higher in males than in females. Of course, it's not correct because normal blood pressure is not affected by the sex or the gender. For every adult, it's 120/80, and the 120, as you know, is the systolic pressure, while the 80 is the diastolic pressure. Question 23. The largest amount of carbon dioxide is carried to the lungs by which of those? As we said and mentioned before, E, the plasma as the bicarbonate ion. As I told you, most of the carbon dioxide is carried by plasma in the form of carbonic acid or bicarbonate ion. That's why if the amount of carbon dioxide increased, the acidity of the blood will increase, which will affect many organs. All of the following are about blood except, are true about blood except, which of the following? Of course, C. Arteries contain valves. No, veins contain valves to prevent the moving back of the blood. So, arteries contain valves. It's not correct to help in the pumping of the blood. Let's start questions 25 to 29. 25. The pancreas is responsible for which of those? Number 25. The pancreas. C. Insulin. Anterior pituitary gland. As you know, the pituitary gland for tropic hormones or stimulating hormones. Stimulating hormones. So the answer is D. Posterior pituitary gland. 27. The answer is B. Oxytocin hormone, which initiate labor. Question number 28. Adrenal medulla. Adrenal medulla. Question 28. The answer is E. Adrenaline. You can remind yourself adrenal medulla, adrenaline, and you know adrenaline is the fight or flight hormone. Question 29. Thyroid. From its name, the answer is A. Thyroxine. It releases thyroxine, which controls the rate of metabolism. Let's go to the next page. Progesterone. Question 30. Progesterone is responsible for which of those? D. Stimulates the uterine lining. Human growth hormone. Growth. So of course to stimulate the growth of long bones. Glucagon to raise the amount of sugar in the blood, so raises blood sugar. FSH, follicle stimulating hormone, to stimulate the ovaries, to stimulate the production of follicles to start ovulation. Insulin, as you know, insulin to lower the blood sugar. Question 35. All of the following are correct about the endocrine gland except. The answer of 35 is, of course, we just said B is incorrect. Parathermone is the fight or flight hormone. We just said adrenaline is the fight or flight hormone. Parathermone is secreted from the parathyroid gland. and it raises the amount of calcium in the blood. All of the following hormones are produced by anterior pituitary gland. So any stimulating hormone is correct. So which one is incorrect? Of course, glucagon, because glucagon is secreted by or from the pancreas. The main target of antidiuretic hormone is of course, antidiuretic hormone to decrease the amount of water excreted. So the target is the kidney. Tropic hormones or stimulating hormones, the hormones that are secreted from a certain gland to stimulate another gland to secrete another hormone. So stimulating hormones, the answer of number 38 E, are hormones that stimulate other glands. Which of the following is correct about the kidney? Which one is correct? 39. A, filtration occurs in the Bowman's capsule and is non-selective. As you know, in Bowman's capsule, filtration for all minerals or even the things that are needed by the body. And after that, reabsorption after filtration, because it occurs by diffusion, which is non-selective diffusion. In human, urea is 40B, produced in the liver. The urea is produced in the liver and excreted by the kidney, which is true about the human circulatory system. The answer of number 41 is C. Leukocytes fight germs because, as you know, leukocytes are types of white blood cells, and white blood cells for fighting germs. Thank you for your listening.